3, 2, 1.
What is the device used to capture images called? The answer is B, camera. Who was the first ancient ruler who officially declared Jerusalem capital of the Kingdom of Israel? The answer is A, King David. The LBD stands for Little What Dress in Fashion World? The answer is D, Little Black Dress D. What is said about the speed of rotation in systems that create tornadoes? The answer is B, it is slow. Crossing charges is one method for obtaining what? The answer is B, subscripts. What geometric shape is generally used for stop signs? The answer is A, octagon. Who wrote Young Goodman Brown, Wakefield, Rappaccini's Daughter and Mr. Bullfrog? The answer is A, Nathaniel Hawthorne. Glenwood Springs, Colorado was known for its hot springs and hospital. What famous outlaw and gunslinger expired from tuberculosis there? The answer is D, Doc Holliday. Who holds the record for fastest marathon in a suit? The answer is A, Hall Patterson. What is the time it takes for radioactive substance to decay? The answer is C, half-life. Which vehicle can travel on water as well as land? The answer is C, amphibious vehicle. In what year did 23-year-old American Clyde Tombaugh discover Pluto, or Planet X, as it was termed then? The answer is A, 1930. Teenage love in the Harry Potter series becomes a major theme in books 4-6. Which of the following romantic pairings never existed? The answer is B, Cho Chang Roger Davies. Which football club holds the record for most UEFA Champions League titles? The answer is A, Real Madrid. Who conducted the royal wedding ceremony on 29 April 2011? The answer is C, the Archbishop of Canterbury. What travels around the Earth but stays in one place? The answer is D, a shadow. We all hate spam on our computers. What is the computer term for sending spam as an instant messenger message? The answer is A, spam. Which galaxy, home to our Milky Way, is a barred spiral? The answer is A, Andromeda. Which ocean has the deepest point on Earth, the Mariana Trench? The answer is C, Pacific. In square miles, what is the largest country in the world? The answer is A, Russia. Specialized tissues at the ends of plant stems are used for growing taller by what? The answer is D, flora. Average speed is equal to distance divided by what? The answer is C, time. What is the only river in the world that flows backward? The answer is D, Coombe River. The hormone insulin is secreted by the pancreas. Which activity is most likely to trigger an increase in the levels of insulin circulating in the blood? The answer is B, eating. What time period takes 15 lunar orbits of Earth? The answer is C, millennium. The northern spotted owl and the Mexican spotted owl inhabit geographically separate locations with different climates and ecosystems. The owl is an example of. The answer is A, allopatric speciation. Who cursed the bludger that broke Harry Potter's arm? The answer is C, Dobby the house elf. Which tool is typically used for drilling holes? The answer is C, drill. Tissues of marine bony fishes gain what from their surroundings? The answer is D, excess salts. On Gilmore Girls, who plays Romeo in the final scene of Romeo and Juliet? The answer is D, Paris Geller. Which continent are zebras native to? The answer is C, Africa. What food is a large, edible fungus grown underground? The answer is A, mushroom. Generally, momentum implies a tendency to continue on course to move in the same direction and is associated with great mass and speed. Momentum, like energy, is important because it is what? The answer is C, conserved. What is the deepest part of the Pacific Ocean? The answer is B, Mediterranean Sea. What do plants lose the most of through the stomata? The answer is B, water. Which instrument is also known as a fiddle in some countries? The answer is D, violin. In 2003, I joined the soccer club Real Madrid. Bend It Like is a movie title that makes reference to my name. Who am I? The answer is B, David Beckham. What is the deadliest jellyfish in the world? The answer is D, box jellyfish. Which of these is the chemical symbol for magnesium? The answer is B, MG. Which of the following is not a Robert De Niro movie? The answer is B, The Departed. What is the name of the theater in which Anne of Green Gables the musical plays every summer? The answer is C, the Confederation Center of the Arts. What president has an animal named after him, after refusing to shoot one such animal during a hunting party? The answer is D, Theodore Roosevelt. Which one of these is a British physicist and mathematician born on Christmas Day? The answer is C, Sir Isaac Newton. Polar climates include polar and which other kind of tundra? The answer is A, alpine. Who is considered to play the role of the old man in the film A Christmas Story? The answer is B, Jack Nicholson. Which psychologist is known for his work on the stages of human development? The answer is C, Jean Piaget. Which instrument has a body shaped like a pear or teardrop? The answer is B, bass. Which tool has a long thin blade for cutting through wood? The answer is C, saw. The Latin motto of the U.S. state of Kansas is Ad Astra per Aspera. What does this mean in English? The answer is A, to the stars through difficulties. What is a loose-fitting, ankle-length garment with wide sleeves worn in Middle Eastern and Arab countries?